Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app. Select the import button. Select a shape. Adjust the shape. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Then select the result. Remove the background color. Change the background color. Then select the other shape. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Rotate the shape. Then select the erase color. To make the color red. Select the import button. Go to the gallery. Select another shape. Remove the background. Select the erase color. To back the shape. Then select the shape. Change the color. Select the opacity effect shadow enable button down. Duplicate the shape. Adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.